Okay guys, this video is going to be a very quick one. Basically we'll be talking about how we can identify the org edition of your Salesforce org. Okay, so currently I have Trailhead org or developer org, which I don't know. Let's see. I do want to find out though. And so the best way you can do it, you can actually go to the settings and look for company information. Under company information, you can see it gives you a lot of very important information. But something what I'm looking for is this section. I'm looking for this developer edition. So that's basically my edition. I also have organization ID. As you know, each org will have a different org ID, and depending on the org ID as well as the instance ID, I can tell when the performance or if there's any updates that Salesforce is pushing, or in case my org is down, I can identify what type of issues I can have, right? So hopefully that's helpful, guys. That's it.